Hello everyone. Last Tuesday we did the underswitches, and I just quickly wanted to show you how they are done really slowly and break them down into the different components, because we will need them for the flow that we want to work on next week. So, to do an underswitch, we start in crab. And then we move, as always, opposite hand and opposite foot. So we move opposite hand and opposite foot, and we switch feet underneath the other one. That's why it's called underswitch. And then we just continue to rotate, and we land back in a crab position. Again, opposite hand, opposite foot. The leg switches underneath, and now we are in QM, and we just continue the rotation until we land in crab again. The other side is exactly the same. So we just did this one. Now let's do the other side. This here, really slowly, underswitch. We continue the rotation, and we land in crab, and that's it.